Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I would like to share one of the popular recipe from Java Island, Indonesia called Tempeh Bacem. It's tempeh cooked in coconut water and palm sugar. It's absolutely yummy, sweet and savory, and as always perfect to serve with rice. So let's get started. So here all the ingredients I'm going to use later. I have tempeh, which is fermented soybean, 2 packs. I'm also using some salam leaves, some salt, fresh water, sweet soy sauce, Indonesian one, coriander seed, white peppercorn, mushroom boyong powder, palm sugar, galangal, turmeric, candlenut, big red chilli, which is I removed the seed already, garlic, shallot, and fresh young coconut water. So let's make it. First, I'm going to cut shallot, garlic, and chili because we're going to blend it. So just cut into small pieces. Along with the candlenut, coriander seed and white peppercorn, and turmeric, which is I will slice a little bit. 1/3 cup of water, blend it smoothly. Add to the pan. Next, let's cut the tempeh. So I cut it into a big chunk. Add some sweet soy sauce, mushroom boyong powder. You also can use chicken boyong powder if you wish to. And I'm going to add some salt, big pinch, palm sugar, which is I'm going to slice it first. Galangal, which is I'm going to brush it first. Add into the pan. And some salam leaves. I have fresh one here today. If you have a dry one, it's absolutely fine too. 3 pieces. So I choose the biggest I can find. And last one, fresh coconut water. Let's open it first. And now let's turn on the cooker, high heat. Mix everything in the pan first. So let's cover. And when it's reached the boiling point, we turn down the heat and simmer until all the water evaporated. So now it's been boiling. I'm going to turn down the heat to medium. And now let it simmer until almost all the water evaporated. So see you later. And also turn over the tempeh occasionally. So all the liquid is already evaporated. Let's turn off the cooker. So this is ready to eat, but I'm going to fry it a little bit. Let's move it first. Add some coconut oil. Medium heat. Add the tempeh. So now let's split it. So here we are, Tempeh Bacem. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I am opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we open online class as well. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I put my email address also in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur Suksma, happy cooking. Bye-bye.